Hi, I'm Terry, and today I have some new tools. I'm replacing some old tools, updating with Knipex. Here's what I'm replacing. I had, this is actually made in France, channel locks. Some people call them water pump pliers, whatever. It's handy, it's good. I have no complaints. It's just, I've had it a really long time for it to go. I've never really been happy with channel locks or the other ones. They just seem to slip all the time. And I've heard really good stuff on the Knipex. So here we go, here's the Knipex. They're made in Germany. They're expensive, but they're quality tools. Cry once when you buy them, or cry twice when you have to replace them. So I bought the two here, and they're really interesting. Hardly any flexibility, is really good. So basically it's just push the button in. And what people like about these is you put them on there, they'll lock on. I got the bigger set, and I got the small little set. So both of these are going in my toolbox. I'll have some more videos on how the Knipex go. And both of them cost me under $100. You can find them all over the map. Pretty expensive in some places, pretty cheap. So these are Knipex. They're replacing these two here. And stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to show you the super small Knipex that I just got and a couple more Knipex tools that are replacing existing tools. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.